I feel immensely delighted to be present in this beautiful campus of IIT Guwahati today. It is our great honor that Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Jagdeep Dhankarji, is present with us at this convocation. On the occasion of 25th convocation of IIT Guwahati, I extend my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all the graduating students.
I am extremely delighted to be here in Assam, the land of majestic and mighty Brahmaputra. IIT Guwahati is an epicenter because those who get out of this university, this institute as graduates are impacting life nationally and globally. Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Himanta Sarma, he is one who has in his heart Assam 24/7.
I hope the graduating students will continue the zeal to contribute their fullest in this technological transformation to realize the vision set for next 25 years by our Honorable Prime Minister.